Brown Bears by Kevin Guerrero Rojas. Background. Brown bears, scientifically known as Ursus actos, are large mammals found in North America, Europe, and Asia. They stand out because they come in different coat colors and can live in many places like forests, mountains, and coastal areas. These bears are huge, among the biggest animals on land. When they stand up, they can reach from about 7 to nearly 10 feet tall. They can also weigh a lot, usually between 200 to 1,500 pounds. Their size can change depending on their age, gender, and where they live. Brown bears eat a variety of foods like plants, fruits, insects, fish, and small mammals. They're apex predators, helping control other animal populations and shaping the environment. They can also help spread seeds and recycle nutrients, which keep their habitats healthy. Brown bears are interesting to study because they're smart, can solve problems, and have complex social lives. Their average lifespan is between 15 to 25 years. This is biology because we will be talking about the diversity of brown bears, how they impact the environment as keystone species, threats, and solutions to helping brown bears' well-being. The diversity of brown bears can be attributed to various factors such as geographic isolation, environmental conditions, and adaptation to different habitats over time. Brown bears have evolved into different species and subspecies due to geographic barriers like mountains, rivers, and other natural obstacles. Additionally, environmental factors such as climate, food availability, and habitat type have influenced the evolution of brown bears into distinct species adapted to their specific environments. And in the photo, you can see all these different types of bears. Obviously, we're not really studying polar bears, but they are in there. But you can see the difference in the brown bears and their coat colors. Here you see all different kinds of brown bears, and more specifically their coat colors and even sizes. One of them actually looks like a black bear. It's not, it's a brown bear, just darker coat colors, and one almost looks blonde just because of the distinct color that they have, the lighter color fur that they have, and one just looks like a brown bear. But yeah, this is how amazing this brown bear is, because they have so many subspecies and different species, and they all look very different and have distinct characteristics. Brown bears are not only apex predators, but also keystone species in many ecosystems, crucial for maintaining ecological balance. Brown bears are at the top of the food chain in their habitats. As apex predators, they regulate prey populations, prevent overgrazing, and controlling certain species numbers. Additionally, they aid in seed dispersal by consuming fruits and nuts, dispersing seeds through their feces, and contribute to nutrient cycling by returning important nutrients to the soil and providing food for scavengers. Through behaviors like digging and creating dens, they also engage in ecosystem engineering, modifying habitats, influencing vegetation, and creating microhabitats for other species. Overall, brown bears play a significant role in maintaining the health and functioning of the ecosystems they inhabit. And in these pictures you see one bear is hunting for fish and the other one is eating berries. So their diets and what they eat do vary from berries, as mentioned earlier, nuts, to small animals, fish, etc. Here you'll see more brown bear photography. You see cubs, families of brown bears, some eating some greens, another one eating fish, and then just families of brown bears. And you can also tell how distinct these different brown bears are. Unfortunately, just like many animals, brown bears do have some threats. Brown bears play a vital role in maintaining the health and balance of ecosystems. However, they face several challenges that threaten their survival. Habitat loss is a major threat to brown bears, driven by human activities like deforestation, urbanization, and agriculture. These actions fragment and diminish bears' habitats, limiting their space and resources for survival. Poaching also poses a significant risk, with bears hunted illegally for various purposes, including their fur, meat, and body parts. As human populations expand into bear territories, conflicts arise, with bears raiding crops and livestock, leading to property damage and economic losses. Unfortunately, in response to these conflicts, Bears are often killed, further endangering their populations and disrupting ecosystem balance. Thankfully, there are solutions. To help brown bears, we can do a few things. First, we need to protect where they live by making safe areas for them. Then we should make strict rules against hunting them and punish those who break the rules. If brown bears come near people, we can use special fences or tools to keep them away without hurting them. It's also important to teach people how to live peacefully with bears and respect their space. When we build new things, we should think about how it affects the bears and try not to harm their homes. Lastly, we should keep studying bears and keep track of how many there are and where they are going. By doing all this, we can make sure that brown bears stay safe and happy in their homes without disrupting them. In conclusion, brown bears are remarkable creatures found across North America, Europe, and Asia, known for their diversity and adaptability. Their striking diversity in coat colors and ability to thrive in various environments contribute to their uniqueness. They play vital roles as top predators, shaping ecosystems by controlling populations and aiding in seed dispersal and nutrient recycling. As keystone species, they are crucial for habitat health. With their intelligence and complex social lives, brown bears offer intriguing subjects for study. Protecting these animals is essential, and implementing solutions can ensure their continued survival and well-being in the wild. Here are the references I used, and thanks for listening, and I hope you enjoyed the presentation.